Hey guys, so we're here, I'm just doing this because everybody does it, and it'd be cool to make a video. If you hear a weird sound in the distance, that's an advertisement that's going on in another window, so that's why. It should be a song. I do not know a song, so it might be cool, it might not. Oh, I know a song, never mind. Oh, so, I'm going to pause the video and get everybody in, and I'll stop this, prize. So, I did get 4 people, I'm not song did, but anyway, yeah, so all 3 of these prizes I get, hopefully I will get good stuff, who knows, probably can't, probably not, but, okay, first crystal, the orange one. Crossbow, that's cool. I'm not a huge fan of them, but they're okay. I'm not gonna be picky because there are a lot worse things you could get. Trust me. Okay. Hey, second prize. I mean, we are really behind, but
blackheads, so not attractive and so hard to get
oh my god. Oh my god, that's bad. Oh my god, that is sad.
Proactive Plus, we're offering an amazing product that can make stubborn blackheads disappear.
Oh
it's our incredible blackhead dissolving gel. Proactive Plus is already a bargain at only $29.95. But be a smart shopper and click the button on this.
Oh my god, it's a second crossbow. It's the best
off instantly. You'll pay just $24.95, and we'll rush you the blackhead dissolving gel, a $25 value, free.
We need this last one. Please, we have one there left. You don't have to watch all this because it's gonna break down. Oh yeah, so the only one who's left is awesome. Lovely, 250. The only one is humor. Oh, with humor. With humor. She's only the credits because I forgot to put the other people in, so. Oh my god, lag. Whoa. See that? Okay, so if the last one comes up. If not, then you'll see my other ones. Well, I'm doing all adventure, so you'll see it. Well, it's got a rush. Okay, this is my best round yet, so first we're gonna do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, really good. First necklace. Generate EMFs. Actually, I find those really cute. I don't know why. I just really do. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the last blue. Just thought I should do it right away. Sure, nails don't hurt. Yeah, cool. I don't know. One for now. Sure. Oh my god, I'm the last person. Oh my god. I don't know what to wait. Well, that's confusing. Well, not really, but well, that's. I don't really know what it is. What should I lead? I need help. I need really help. Oh my god, I need to lead. I don't really want to keep my mustache. Oh, I'm deleting my mustache. No! My mustache. Okay, mustache. Bye, mustachey. Oops. Bye, people. Oh my god, please, please. Oh, so we are going to do more, but so anyway, so as you know, we have been doing this for a long time. Trust me, a long time. People ditch on me. It's all over. It's really hard. Anyway, just pointing this out, my treasures have been terrible. I mean, like, some treasures have been good. I mean, like, people get rid of spikes, etiquette, stuff like that. I mean, like, that's why I do the thing. I'm like, I can get good stuff. I can get a rare spike. That'd be so worth it. So I do it. But, trust me, not every time you're gonna get a rare spike. And not every time you're not gonna get a rare spike. You're gonna get a rare spike eventually. I believe. I mean, like, I think some people might never, but that's maybe because they're just the baddest of luck. But I don't mean that in a rude comment. I'm just pointing out that I had extraordinarily bad results. You know, thing. It's totally by chance. I mean, like, by luck. The purple shards are usually terrible. I mean, like, sometimes they're good, but mostly they're terrible. I mean, like, they're just as good as a green or a orange. I mean, a gold. Sorry. Thanks. It's kind of just a chance, though. So, don't be sure you're gonna get one, but don't feel like you're completely not. I mean, like, you definitely have a chance of getting one. Everybody does. So not everybody will get one. I'm hoping I will be one of the people who will try so hard and I'll be able to get it. But who knows? I might not be. So just confirming on that note, and I'll keep showing you more prizes. Maybe I'll get one on this recording device thing. Yeah. Well, my god, wait, pause. Oh my god, I hate this one. First prize! Green. I don't actually see that anymore, so I'm gonna keep it because I've never seen it, because ever. I mean, like, literally ever. Is that good or not? I seriously can't tell. Anyone knows, please comment, because, well, it's probably by now, but please do, because if it's good, I need to know. I'm gonna ask the people, is that good? Oh, did I spell that right? I can't see. Is that good? Oh, why didn't go from here? I never saw before. I never saw before. I never saw before. Oh my god. Okay, well, tell you when the next one comes up. That first thing on the green one, and so maybe we can know better. Well, I'm assuming it's better because nobody in my Avengers thing knew it was, so we'll get another better here. Oh, sort of rare, but that's sad. I'm like, if those are regular bat classes, I'd be like, oh my god. But just because they're rare, I like rares. I like rares. I like rares. Because rares are cool. I'm sorry, I'm not very descriptive. Dad. Oh my god, dude! Oh wait, maybe they're good. Everybody said, oh, design your skirt. Yeah, that's cool. Their shirts actually are worth a lot now. Yeah, the worst items. Well, too bad for you. Oh my god, wait, what is that? Oh, maybe that's better. A pink cheese hat. Well, might as well keep it. No, I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna keep it. That one. I got some more good stuff. This card. Dude, but wait, what did I just forget? Want to do the purple or not? We have no time. Oh, too bad. Well, another. I'm not sure if I spelled that right. Oh, oh my god. Let's. Oh shoot, I'm just such a bad squad. Let's restart. Easy. Okay, bye people. Okay, and we'll do nice first one. Good luck. Oh my god. Those are in the stars, I think. But, I have them. I'm not exactly joking. Oh, another one. By the way. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Oh my god, please don't be the bear one, please don't be the other one. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Oh wow, I'm so happy. Yay! This is my happy self. Oh my god, yay, a beard! I'm so happy! I'm so happy. Yay, that does require a yay. Okay, now I need to get the other ones, and maybe when we get other ones, we'll get better prizes. Oh, I almost burped. Oh my god, I didn't see, so I don't know. Dude, yay, I'm so happy! I didn't see it. So I won't be able to help you. Oh yay, I'm so happy. We need to get all the waters, and then we can get better stuff. I'm so happy. We got a beard. I'm so happy. Okay, well, I'll pause it and play it when we get the third one. We got a beard last time, so fingers crossed. Oh, well, better than nothing. I actually have a brown one, so I'll probably just delete the one I have. I'll just play a game. Okay, so then we have one more to get. Hopefully we'll get it soon. A water thing, measure, and properties, so I'm not exactly sure, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And look at it, and I don't really know how much we have, because it's one of those things where it's glitches and it doesn't say it. This might be my last one. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, like, it did, sorry. I probably have to go soon, but I might be able to get some more on a different account soon, so. Ooh, okay, there we go. I kept it up. Oh my god, I have like 5 million of these! I'm so excited now. Dude, I got a beard though, so that's good. Sure. So, maybe get one more. Okay, so I guess I did have another time to do this, so. What did we get? I'm sorry. Oh, yes, I remember that. I got for the best, but it's really cool. I thought it was the best, but it's really cool. Oh my god, I have so much stuff and this lag is not helping. Well, it's not lag, but it's good. So picky. Dude, it's cool. Oh, that was just like a clover button, so. Well, might as well keep it. It's cool. No, it's not. So, okay. Oh my god, this song is terrible. Oh my god, please. Please hurry up. Okay, let's go and get the next one. It's like going 10 minutes, so it's a good timing. Night armor. I think it's really good right now, but I don't want it right now. Oh my god, I should really like keep it anyway, but it's pretty good. But actually, I don't even know if it's good or not, so I shouldn't be judging it. But oh my god. I need to get these. I need one more. Please, one more silver. Okay, this might take a long time. It might just happen as soon as I press the pause button. I'm not exactly sure what to do. I don't want to waste your time. Oh, well, right, happen with it. Oh my god, I have like 5 of those. I'm playing this game too much. I literally am. I honestly am. I play this game way too much. Well, this is probably as much as I can do right now. That was really fun. I got a lot of cool stuff. Really fun, really good stuff. Just if you want to see. Oh, I'm gonna do it again. But okay, so just so you can see the prizes. So I really hope you enjoyed, and please like, comment, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe I can make a sequel if people really want it.